Hello, artist Miss Seward here to show you how to do a washi watercolor project. First, you'll need some good sturdy paper like cardstock, some watercolors, a paintbrush, some water, and a paper towel, and something called washi tape you can get at a craft store. So you'll take the washi tape, and really you can do any kind of designs you want, but this one kind of looks like sun rays. So starting in a corner, just go out in diagonals for the sun rays. I have thicker washi tape. This also works really well with thin washi tape, so you kind of have to plan out how many you use and how much space you have left over. Once you get your sun rays set, then you go around and do kind of a frame around the edges. Okay, now comes the exciting part. Get your watercolors ready. Mine are kind of dry, so I need to add some water to wake them up. Make sure you clean your brush a lot, and I like to start from the lighter colors to go to the darker so I don't muddy them up, but you'll want to clean your brush a lot between colors. So you can choose any colors, stripes, patterns you want. You can use any shades of the colors. I chose to go with a rainbow pattern because it's fun and fairly easy. It is nice to start in the middle so that you can kind of map out your curve. If you start from a corner, you kind of get stuck with the curve that you start with. So I started in the center with green, and then I worked my way up, and I didn't go in that order, but I used the order Roy G. Biv: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And you can mix those tertiary, those in-between colors by just mixing a little bit of like purple and the blue. So I used the tray next to the colors, made sure that I was cleaning my brush a lot in between, but so I could get those middle step colors by mixing them. A cool trick you can do is take some regular table salt when your watercolor is still quite wet. So I had some drier spots, so I added a little bit of water with a clean brush, and then sprinkle table salt wherever you want this kind of magic glittery effect. When the table salt dries, it will absorb the paint. It will soak up the color of the paint and leave behind these cool little crystal looking features that you will see in the final product. So give that a try if you want, not required. I put some just on a few different colors to highlight them. Now comes the hardest part of the whole project, waiting for it to dry. And believe me, I know from experience, you have to just be patient. If you start to play with the salt and push it around, you could smudge the color and grind into the paint. And so you just need to wait and be patient. But then, once it's all dry, you can take it over the trash or the sink preferably and brush off all of the salt. Sometimes it takes a little bit of scrubbing with your hands. And then you can start to peel off your washi tape. If you see here, I pulled kind of hard on a big chunk. That didn't work so well, so I went to smaller pieces. Some of them ripped, so I had to be patient. Just take your time so that you don't rip your paper. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. Ta-da! There it is. We did it. And I bet you can do it too. Enjoy using washi tape and watercolor together.